Okay, in this video I will show you how to get the data of the X and Y positions of the projectile trajectory. We are restricting ourselves in this case that the cannon is exactly at 0 meters off the ground, and that limits the angle from 25 to 90. So you are going to pick an angle and put in 35. Leave the initial speed at 15 meters per second. Don't change this variable, and this is a given. Suppose that you put two photo gates at the end of the cannon and you measure that velocity. We are not going to use the target now. We are going to use this measuring tape instead. All right, so shot, click this plus sign to zoom in as you need. I think that's too much. Let me see if I can move it. No, I cannot move it. So you put the mirror stick over here, and you see that the first point, the X on the first point is 1.19, and then the Y is quite hard when small. The Y is 0.84. You go to the second point, you do the Y is on the second point is 1.56, and the X is 2.44. You go to the next point, the X is 3.70, and the Y is 2.12. You keep on getting the data all the way to the end. You know what the end is? The end is the Y is 0. The Y is 0. And that quantity that is called range is where the ball lands. That was what you were measuring last time in the previous lab. All right, here you go. The range is 21.63 meters. If you remember from the previous lab, if you put the angle at 45 degrees, the range is maximum and is the square of the velocity divided by g. Okay, so this is how you get the data, get all the points. You could zoom in, but you could see I don't see the end if I zoom in. All right, so make sure you do it right. Get the trajectory X and Y data.